Cruising is often portrayed as the ultimate escape. A floating resort where meals, entertainment, and exotic destinations come together in one seamless experience. But there's a hidden side to this dream vacation that cruise lines and frequent travelers rarely talk about. This cruise secret could ruin your trip. Why no one talks about it is something every traveler must understand before setting sail. Whether it's a noisy cabin that disrupts sleep every night, or hidden behaviors that upset fellow passengers and staff, some decisions, often made unknowingly, can turn a relaxing cruise into a frustrating ordeal. The good news is that most of these issues can be avoided with the right knowledge. If you're planning to cruise, or even just curious about what really happens behind the scenes, stay tuned. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dive travel tips and cruise secrets every single week. Number 1. Choosing the wrong cabin location. One of the most common reasons a cruise becomes unpleasant is due to the location of the cabin. While it may seem like all rooms are more or less the same, their position on the ship makes a huge difference. Cabins located directly above nightclubs, theaters, or the engine room often suffer from excessive noise at odd hours. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. For light sleepers, it can mean nights of interrupted sleep, followed by sluggish, tired days. Another issue is motion. Cabins located at the front or rear of the ship tend to feel more movement, especially in rough seas. Those prone to seasickness may suffer significantly in these locations. For a smoother experience, midship cabins on lower decks tend to have the least movement and are generally the quietest. Number 2. Ignoring the importance of the muster drill. Some passengers treat the muster drill as an annoying formality, something to be endured before the fun begins. But skipping or not paying attention during this safety drill can be a critical mistake. In an emergency, this information can save lives. The drill provides vital instructions on how to use life jackets, where to go in case of evacuation, and how to respond to different alarms. Beyond safety, failing to take this seriously can also earn a passenger a warning or even removal from the ship, depending on the cruise line's policy. Cruise ships are governed by international maritime law, and safety is a top priority. Neglecting it is not only irresponsible, but potentially dangerous. Number 3. Overpacking and cluttering the cabin. Cruise cabins are typically compact, and bringing too many belongings can quickly turn the space into a chaotic mess. Unlike hotel rooms, there's limited storage, and clutter can make the room feel even smaller. Bringing 5 pairs of shoes, multiple formal outfits, and unnecessary gadgets often leads to frustration rather than convenience. Additionally, leaving items on the floor can become a hazard, especially if the ship encounters rough waters. It's better to pack smart, with versatile clothing and collapsible bags, and use the space under the bed or in the closets efficiently. Some cabins even come with hidden storage areas that are often overlooked. Number 4. Not researching the ship's layout beforehand. Boarding a cruise without understanding the ship's layout is like entering a small city without a map. Many cruise ships have over a dozen decks, numerous dining venues, pools, spas, lounges, and specialty areas. Not knowing where key areas are located can lead to missed events, unnecessary frustration, and even being late for excursions or dinner reservations. Some ships have secret spots, quiet sun decks, observation lounges, or adult-only pools that are not heavily advertised. Passengers who research ahead can enjoy these serene areas without the crowds. On the flip side, unknowingly booking a cabin near high-traffic zones like elevators or laundromats can mean constant foot traffic and noise. Number 5. Disregarding onboard etiquette and dress codes. Many cruise lines enforce dress codes, particularly for formal nights or specialty restaurants. Showing up underdressed can lead to embarrassment or being turned away at the door. Beyond clothing, simple etiquette rules also matter. Reserving deck chairs with towels, cutting buffet lines, or being overly loud in shared spaces can annoy fellow passengers and staff alike. Cruises bring together people from all over the world, and maintaining respect for shared spaces ensures a smooth journey for everyone. Passengers who don't follow basic social norms often find themselves isolated or subject to complaints, sometimes without even realizing it. Number 6. Not paying attention to daily schedules and announcements. Each evening, a daily newsletter is delivered to the cabin, outlining the next day's schedule, port information, entertainment options, and important announcements. Ignoring this valuable resource can lead to missing out on shows, dining reservations, limited time offers, or even last-minute port changes. Ships also make important announcements over the intercom, sometimes in multiple languages. These include safety updates, weather alerts, and event changes. Tuning them out may cause confusion or missed opportunities, especially during shore excursions or tender boat transfers. Number 7. Skipping travel insurance. Travel insurance may seem optional, but for cruise vacations, it's strongly recommended. Medical emergencies at sea are extremely expensive. A simple doctor visit on board can cost hundreds, and more serious issues may require air evacuation, costing tens of thousands of dollars. Moreover, unexpected situations like missed flights, lost luggage, canceled ports, or itinerary changes can create logistical and financial nightmares. Without insurance, passengers are left to deal with these challenges on their own, often with little support from the cruise line. Number 8. Not understanding cruise line policies on alcohol and snacks. Different cruise lines have strict and varying policies regarding what passengers can bring on board. Attempting to sneak in alcohol or prohibited items can lead to confiscation, fines, or worse, denial of boarding. Some lines allow a limited number of wine bottles or non-alcoholic beverages per cabin, but others have zero tolerance. Likewise, bringing cooked food or perishables from port cities is often not allowed due to agricultural regulations. Passengers caught violating these rules may face delays during customs checks or even bans from future cruises. It's always safer to review the cruise line's website for official policies before packing. Number 9. Mismanaging onboard spending. Cruise ships operate on a cashless system, where every purchase, from drinks to excursions to souvenirs, is charged to the onboard account. Without careful monitoring, spending can quickly spiral out of control. It's easy to lose track of expenses, especially when using the cruise card for every transaction. Some passengers are shocked at the final bill, which can include service charges, gratuities, internet fees, spa visits, casino losses, and premium dining. Setting a daily budget and regularly checking the onboard balance at guest services or on the cruise app can prevent financial surprises. Number 10. Forgetting to lock the balcony door at night. While balcony cabins offer stunning views and a relaxing private space, leaving the door unlocked at night can be risky. Cruise ships are generally very safe, but it's still wise to secure the cabin when sleeping or away. In rare cases, rough weather or high winds can cause balcony doors to slam open, damaging furniture or waking passengers abruptly. There's also the possibility of curious wildlife, especially in tropical regions, entering through open balconies. Most importantly, if young children are traveling, a locked balcony door is essential for safety. Cruising can truly be one of the most unforgettable ways to travel, offering luxury, adventure, and breathtaking views all in one trip. But as revealed today, understanding the hidden secrets and commonly overlooked mistakes can make the difference between a smooth, enjoyable vacation and one filled with frustration. From choosing the right cabin to being aware of onboard policies and etiquette, a little preparation goes a long way. Remember, the goal isn't to scare anyone away from cruising. It's to make sure every traveler enjoys the experience to the fullest, without being caught off guard. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more expert travel insights, cruise tips, and destination guides. Thanks for watching, and may your next cruise be smooth sailing from start to finish.